tao niya, Marty.
Yeah.
No. No? No, I don't.
Yung pinakababa.
Ito. Ito, nakakita na ako.
Ako.
Saan si Bear?
Bye.
Pero siyang ano, mga garapata ngayon.
Bakit? May season ba na may garapata?
Di ba winu-walk niyo palagi?
Sige mo ano, front line?
Oo. Yeah. Binigyan ko din.
Banay. China, you see that?
Sino Bear?
Oh no!
Don't.
Ha? Oh, don't leave on the table.
Don't leave, Alex. Alex, don't touch the table. Kasi nag-movie table eh.
Okay ba?
Feel it. You feel it. Ito marami ito dito sa dito.
Si Maite yan.
Other side, baka doon.
What's this one?
What's the
I
table
can't take
there?
no way up.
If it falls?
Hala. Hala na. Isa na lang pala eh. Mahulog yan. Isa na lang pala. Pull it from that, going there.
Bakit parang hindi siya, yung sa ulong ako, parang malambot, madulas?
Wood
Oo,
too.
yun nga, kaya nga mas mahirap yun eh.
Hulog yan.
Can I join yourself?
Hoy, galing party?
Children's party.
It's
Wow, yan pala.
Mama.
May nag-touch na ito. Ang table. Yan o. Yan. Kayla. Electric fan yun. Don't touch the table. Don't touch the table.
Okay.
No, there's an insect.
What's the consequence if someone makes it fall?
Wala. Ulog lang.
Talo.
You have to fix the tower. Austin, your turn. Austin, your turn.
Don't lean on the table, Austin.
Don't lean on the table. Austin.
Austin, don't lean on the table. Hirap na eh.
Pull it quickly.
Wala.
Pull it really quick.
Really quick.
Slowly.
Easy now. Relax. Just
Austin, it's always doing like that. It goes like
Ala. Hindi pwede. Isang kamay lang. Mahirap, gagalaw pa rin yan.
Like that.
Ay, nako. Kasi look at the base na kinukuha dito, isa-isa lang yan eh.
Going down. You tap it from this side. Then you pull it from this
Kung
side.
kasha finger mo.
Ayun na.
Get that.
Dito ka. Balik.
This one.
Careful. Kaya mo ganun kamay mo? Ganito? O hindi. Yan. Tapos, oh, it's still tight!
Kaya.
Pwede ganun.
Mahirap kayo. Ayan lang.
Ay, ba't chicken yung taas?
Don't lean.
Are you allowed to get from Zilla? Or no?
Not the one on top.
Oy, Austin! Pwede dito.
Finish your game first.
Ay.
Tigas lahat yan.
Dito sa taas. Yung mga nasa taas. Si Cecile na naman.
Ito ngayon sa ilalim.
Ayoko maglaro kasi takot ako malaglag eh.
Oh!
Yan.
Bulog.
Grabe. Hindi sure na kay Austin malaglag. Austin, doon.
Austin, shot Jenga!
Pag nilaglag, yan siya.
Viva! Viva!
Yung mukha niya.
She's at her dorm. She has assignments kasi eh.
Pwede siguro.
She's busy. Let's help her. She's busy eh.
Yung official rules, one hand lang.
Austin talaga.
Oh, Austin, it's your turn next.
Dodo, dado, Jimmy.
I'll take the one from the top.
Nakaka-nervous pag ikaw yung
Oo.
nagtatanggol. Ganun.
Hindi ko makalama. Ayoko makalab.
For the sheet.
Austin, you're next, ah.
Kasi daw tayo sa table.
Oh, don't touch the table.
You're trying to cheat me eh. Oh.
Good, good.
Ayun, lumubog isa.
Low. Hangin na lang yan. Hello, may fan nga. Dalawa. Laglag talaga.
This one.
Hala, hala. Hala, hala, hala.
Austin, you're in the It's the leaning tower of what?
Ayun, ayun.
This one.
No, it's going to fall.
It's going to fall.
Pero hindi, kaya.
Viva! Viva! Viva!
Last move.
Yeah, ano yan? Ano yan?
Jenga!
Yun na yun eh.
Wag!
Kaya.
Leave him.
Just be careful, kaya rin.
Easy lang, Austin.
Slowly.
Kaya.
Slowly.
Jenga!
Austin, oh.
You're not speaking.
That's...
Yan na! Yan na!
Kaya, Austin,
Not too
kaya.
Kaya yan,
not too
Austin,
far.
kaya yan.
Yan.
Just slowly.
Oh!
Ayun na.
You're moving it!
Lift it lang a bit. Lift it lang, Austin, kasi mabigat to, ang part na to.
Yan.
Yun.
Ala, ala.
Wait.
You're not done yet. You have to put
You
it
have to
on
put it
top.
pa there.
You have to put it on
Oh
top.
my gosh.
Nanginginig ko yun.
Possible nga na maabot ka nga.
Ayan. Ay.
But then can't you push this back?
Pwede, pero baka mahulog.
Pero how do you push that back?
Pusin mo na. Sobrang...
Yeah, it's okay.
Kami nung shout at you.
Get Caldero.
Jenga!
Ikaw ata makakasira na.
Kaya dito malalaglagan ako.
Stable pa yung party. Pag lumusod niya sa gitna, tapos na yan. That's a Jenga right there. Watch this.
Yan.
Wala na yan.
Malalaglag na to.
Tapos na yan.
It's live entertainment.
Madaya to si Austin.
Yeah, si Gerald.
We wanna know if kaya pa kasi.
Yeah, 10 minutes na nga eh. Wala pang nangyayari.
Mabigat na yung taas.
Why can't you get here?
Kasi yung weight niya eh. Naka-compress siya, gumagalaw siya. Tsaka hindi naman perfect na square niya na slide na. I'm sure yung mga ganun. Oh yeah, hindi.
Wala na.
Babagsak siya. Imposible. Babagsak na siya.
Ay, di ba ko